Alright folks, grab your popcorn. Today we're diving into the magical world of slide transitions. Ever wondered how to go from meh to whoa with just a swipe? We're talking before versus after color correction. It's like a glow up for your video. Let's roll.
Next, import your desired video, then drag it onto the timeline, like you're setting the stage for a masterpiece. If Filmora politely asks about matching the resolution, just pick the one that best suits your vibe.
Now, duplicate the video and place the copy on the track directly above the original. Next, scroll to the filters tab and pick your favorite vibe. Vintage, cinematic, dreamy, you name it. Then just drag and drop that filter onto the top video layer, the one you duplicated earlier.
Slide halfway through the filter video clip, right where you want the magic to begin. Grab the in point, the little handle at the start, and drag it forward to that spot. This way the filter effect kicks in right on cue.
Now head over to the Transitions tab and search for Erase Slide Right. Drag and drop it right at the point where the filter effect begins. Boom! Just like that, your video slides smoothly into its color corrected glow up like it owns the place.
Hope this video helped add a little flair to your edits. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.